Me too. Mommy, I know what it's like to love someone who isn't always nice to you. Your dad had a way of making me feel like everything was my fault. And I want you to know that you are a very, very special little girl. And you didn't do anything wrong. Okay? Who was the man you were talking to at the market the other day?